slow days like this, everything starts to look like a whale shark? And you want it to be a whale shark so bad. Everything is real slow until it's not. You got to look at a lot of water before you can see a shark. My name is Cochran. I study whale sharks. I'm just here trying to learn as much as we can about the bigger things that we find. We're up in the way north of the Red Sea right now, and we know they come up here. We've tracked sharks up here. We're hoping we can find another seasonal hotspot. Even with all the science going on at these aggregation sites, most of the animals are not here. So there's big gaps when the sharks aren't at the aggregations, when they're not where people are seeing them, when they're out in the middle of nowhere in the open ocean. There could be a dozen whale sharks out there, but if they're not at the surface, if we don't have a clear spot, then you do a lot of staring at empty water and just hoping for a chance encounter. I'm actually supposed to be here looking for whale sharks, but we don't have an aggregation that we're really homing in on. Our chances of seeing a whale shark come down a bit to luck. And if we get lucky, great, I can be useful. I can be in my element for a bit. If we don't get lucky, I can try and be useful doing stuff like this, cutting bait, helping out with grubs and stuff. It just makes sense for me to be doing it.
He's quite a senior scientist, and so for him to do as much as he has to help us with everything, I mean, chopping bait like that and getting up at 4 a.m. to pull bait out for us is it's not the first task you'd want to do in a list of stuff on this project. I called him at the very beginning and said, I've put a proposal in on whale sharks, but I don't know anything about whale sharks and you're the local expert. Am I mad? And he was like, well, I don't think it's an outside chance. So we could see them. He's like, it's not the best time to see them. But
yeah, like Jesse said, we usually go to an aggregation to find numbers of whale sharks and then tag them.
Yeah.
To find one on its own is extremely hard. Yeah, super rare. Yeah.
You got to look at a lot of water before you can see a shark. And when you see a shark, things start happening fast. Somebody's going to inevitably yell shark. We're all going to scramble to get our gear and go put a tag in it.
Yeah.
Whoa! Oh, look at they're running.
The size of that thing.
Oh, wow.
It's going to come back.
Yeah. Hey, Patrick. You want to grab?
Coming! Give me the tension on the back.
Yay, seen a whale shark!
Yeah, it's right there. You can't just jump in there.
Can you find out?
It's right there.
Actually, you can swim up on the board side. So we get out in the water, you climb up it.
All right, can you hand me the spear?
It's on the way. It's gone.
Just 10 minutes. Can I just jump in?
Jesse, it's there.
Hey, Jesse.
We did end up seeing one, and I was very happy. We had some lights going on the boat at night, and that attracted some plankton, and the plankton attracted a whale shark, and we got to get a tag in it.